Well, folks, we were traveling through Nebraska here. This is western Nebraska, and saw some stuff that thought might be cool to film. So we're gonna just take a quick look at these tractors and trucks here. A lot of international trucks, case tractors. Now, I don't know a lot about tractors, so I can't tell you the models and stuff. These look like they're back in the 30s or 40s maybe. This is right along the road, so there's a lot of road noise here. Hard to get a good recording here, but we'll do the best we can. A lot of cool old case tractors here. Look at that one with the wide front. Some of them are real streamlined, Art Deco looking. There's a real old one there. Probably back in the 20s, I would guess. Look at the steering out in the front. Just some really cool tractors. There's a neat international, looks like cement mixer. Look at them all. That's quite a collection of the case tractors. A whole row of them there. There's kind of a chunkier one here. Here's another international cement mixer there. It's an AC 180. I'm going to catch some semi noise here. Couple older style here, one up on steel wheels. Look at the steering way out in the front. Those are all case tractors. Got some more international trucks in behind there. That one there is a 1940s KB7. That's the big series KB. Notice the kind of basketball shaped headlights there, kind of a ball shape. This is a little bit later one here. Well, we'll catch you on the other side here. We'll catch a few on the back side here. See what there is back here. There's some more tractors. There's some John Deeres and mixed makes here. Got to pan over to this side. There's a really cool international crane there, crane truck with kind of a cab off to one side. It's an L190. Here's a big GMC, another cement mixer. Jump onto the back side here. Got some big tanks here of some sort. I guess I gotta catch you on the other side here. Well, there is, I don't know what that building was, but there's some big boilers or something over there. It's kind of wild. There's an International pickup here, a couple of them. Massey Harris tractor. Pan over to this side. There's some more KB Internationals from the 40s. Got a Studebaker truck back there. That's a 40s Studebaker. This is right on the edge of town here. Not sure how he's able to keep them all here, but apparently the town doesn't bother him too much. That is a big International. That's a KB11. That's a real big heavy one. Look at it, there's a semi. With a winch on it. Here's another big KB6 International. This is primarily international stuff. We got another KB series there. See if we can get the camera to lighten up. There it is. Got a couple more 50s and 60s style. There's an old school bus in behind there. I'm not going to walk all the way back there because it says no trespassing, so, but there is a bunch of them back in there. We'll come up this other side here. Big fuel truck, another KB International, that black one over there. Jump onto the other side of this building here. There's quite a few more tractors in there. Farmalls, cases. There's an International cab on the ground there. Getting the sunset there. Makes it hard to see. Darkens up the camera. Let's get on the other side of this so then you'll be able to see it. There we go. That's another case, I believe. And we'll walk out the driveway here. Show you the last few. Some Internationals there. Got some more tractors and equipment. Look at that orange International. That's a nice shape. Get over to this side. There's some square body Internationals in the trees here. There's another big International dump truck. Not sure what this is. It's a kettle. Little Ford kettle. That's kind of cool. Look at the wheels on that. Kind of interesting. There's a bunch of Internationals back in there. You can look at them all there. Wow. This guy must have a couple hundred International trucks all over the place here. There's a step van over there. Maybe we can get over and see that one, and then we'll catch the outer edge here. I don't know if that's an International too or what. Let's check it out. That's pretty cool. Oh, that one's a Chevy. Chevy step van. That's pretty neat there. Another little International short box pickup there. Some sort of steam engine or something there, not sure what that is. Heavy piece of machinery. I see a cool International cab over truck here. Look at that one. Snub nose or cab over. Got another tractor here. Gotta love that snub nose truck, that's cool. The Pontiac in the bushes there. Another case. That one's a 500 diesel model. This is a real small one here. Small little case. Well, anyway, it's just kind of a quick tour of this place. Just thought it would be a cool stop. It's not the kind of stuff we normally deal in with tractors and stuff, but there's quite a few trucks here. And thought you guys might like to see it. So, you know, if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to our channel, give us thumbs up, comment on these videos. All of that kind of stuff helps. And we can keep doing these videos, doing more. And the more the merrier, right? Okay, thank you.